Welcome to the TellmeGen at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. TellmeGen is an at-home DNA test kit designed to provide a wide array of insights into your health, wellness, ancestry, and genetic predispositions. It's a comprehensive solution for anyone seeking a deeper understanding of their genetic profile and how it relates to their overall well-being. The TellmeGen process is simple and user-friendly. After ordering the kit, you provide a saliva sample using the included collection tube and send it back. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you'll receive a detailed report accessible via their secure online portal. The report is divided into 4 main sections: health, wellness, ancestry, and traits. One of the standout features of TellmeGen is its focus on health insights. It identifies your genetic predispositions to over 400 traits, including potential risks for diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and even rare genetic conditions. Additionally, it includes carrier status for conditions you could pass on to your children. The wellness section offers actionable insights, such as how your genetics may influence your diet, metabolism, and physical activity. For instance, it might reveal whether you're genetically predisposed to lactose intolerance or how your body processes caffeine. TellmeGen also includes ancestry analysis, although it's not as detailed as kits from ancestry-focused companies. However, it still provides valuable insights into your genetic origins, helping you understand your heritage and family connections. An interesting bonus is the traits analysis, which includes fun and insightful findings about characteristics like eye color, sleep patterns, and alcohol tolerance. Who is this kit for? TellmeGen is perfect for individuals who want a holistic understanding of their genetics, especially those interested in health-related information. It's ideal for anyone looking to make informed decisions about their lifestyle, diet, or healthcare options based on genetic insights. In summary, TellmeGen is an excellent choice for a well-rounded DNA testing experience. With its emphasis on health and wellness alongside ancestry and traits, it offers tremendous value for anyone curious about their genetics. Check out the links in the description to explore TellmeGen or get your kit today.